Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here from Bosanoff Mortgages. Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. And yes, my voice is gone. I've had a busy week and everyone's been asking me, especially after what they've heard in the media with Westpac putting up the rates. When are the banks putting up their interest rates? We thought they were going to be putting them down, not putting them up. And unfortunately, the swap rates, that's where the banks get the most of their money from, or most of the rates from the 1-year rate to the 5-year rates, that's all increased. Now, why has it increased? Well, it's increased because pretty much the Reserve Bank said in the OCR on the 28th of November that that's it. There's no more cuts to the OCR, and in fact, they're at the bottom. And the next phase is for rates to go up. Now, they've got in their forecast that interest rates, that the OCR won't go up until the end of next year sometime in the last quarter of 2026. But the funding from the banks, the wholesale rates, the swap rates, they've already moved. They've gone up. And it's funny because Australia, they kept their OCR on hold. And today in the States, the Fed, their rates were dropped for their OCR. So I can't pick what's going on with rates at the moment, but all I can tell you is this: the wholesale swap rates for the banks, they have increased, which means the banks will pass those on at some stage. So if you've got a loan that's coming up for refixing, or you're getting a property and you're thinking about what rate to do, now's the time to be speaking with your bank, your mortgage advisor, your trusted advisor, to fix those rates. Because I don't think these rates that I've been sharing with you and what you're seeing on your apps right now are going to be around for much longer, and they'll incrementally go up from the remaining of this year and then into 2026. So now's the time to be talking and getting those rates fixed. So yes, get in touch. If I haven't spoken to you already, if the team hasn't been in touch, please get in touch now so we can do help fix the right rate for you, for your circumstances. In terms of my first home buyers, my goodness, it's been a busy week. It feels like the last week, 2 weeks, they've had a lot of success. We're getting their offers accepted, a few of them doing their due diligence, builders reports, valuation, things like that. Some of them have been unconditional, which has been great as well. So it's been quite busy helping them. I think that's it. There might be a few more that might happen early next week, but the majority of the house prices, the house sales, that's it. That's it for the year, and the next will be pretty much in the new year. We get most of them coming on sort of mid-January now, and then after Wellington anniversary weekend, that's the majority of the new listings come on. Anyway, that's it. My voice is done. I hope you're well. If you want to know more, feel free to get in touch. Otherwise, God bless. They're going to do us a shot, Sophia. If you can hear that basketball that's been bouncing in the background. And we'll be live with you next week with another video. But the message for today, have a strong think about fixing. Because if there's a rate there that you've been thinking about taking, what will you do if it disappears? Think about that. And feel free to get in touch. Be more than happy to give you some advice for you and your circumstances. Ka kite, God bless.